Hi, my dear phonic learners. Thank you for joining me. I hope all are doing good. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the sound of letter C. So, are you ready to learn? Very good. If I say like this, it's my turn. If I say like this, it's your turn. So, the sound of C is k, k, k. Good job. Let's see which words have k sound in the beginning. Do you know what is this? K, cap. K, comb. K, camel. K, candle. Excellent. Let's revise. K, cap. K, comb. K, camel. K, candle. Okay, now we know what is the sound of C. Let's learn to write. This is my magic pen and this is my magic paper. I write with my magic pen. You also take out your magic pen and paper and repeat after me. K, k, k. Now I will write on this letter. K, k. Good job. You know how to write letter C. Okay. Now let's start reading. You are able to read 2-letter words and 3-letter words, right? Okay, so repeat after me. K, a, cat. K, a, p, cap. This is cap. You know how to read the word cap, right? Good job. K, a, t, cat. K, a, n, can. Act, act. Let's revise. K, a, p, cap. K, a, t, cat. K, a, n, can. Act, act. So what have we learned today? We learned the sound of C. C sound is K. This was about today's lesson. You keep practicing. We will meet in the next lesson with another sound. Bye bye.